Hi, this is Matt from AppWorks with another video in our little tip series. And this one is one that has affected a large number of our customers over the years. And you can Google the phrase, "you've been wingdinged." So if you're looking at your layout and all of a sudden, out of the blue, one day it looks like this, where all of the fonts on all of the layouts and like basically all of FileMaker kind of goes crazy and you see these hieroglyphic characters. This is the Wingdings font in Windows. And this is a pretty well understood problem, and it happens when certain Adobe font caches get messed up. And there's some easy fixes and some hard fixes. We have a blog article that you can read about it. You can actually just Google "you've been wingdinged" and you can find it. There's some simple solutions you can try if this happens to you. And this is, by the way, a problem that almost only happens on Windows. But anyway, you can try this. And the solution we're talking about for the complex things are for sure Windows, so stick around for that. So the easy thing is to quit FileMaker applications and quit all of your Adobe applications and then relaunch FileMaker first before launching anything Adobe. And sometimes the problem goes away. Also, you can try to update your versions of FileMaker and update versions of Adobe apps to the current versions and see if it goes away. And sometimes those things don't work. So there's two things you can try that are the advanced thing. That's the core of this tip right here. And that is, there's a couple of folders you can delete, files you can delete in your Windows environment that will often address the issue. So here's a Windows computer, and there's two folders that you can go to that are really the key ones. Inside of your Windows directory, there's a System32 directory, and inside there's a file called fontcache, fntcache.dat. Delete that file, and then go to your user folder. So whatever your folder is, whatever your username is, into the app data folder and to the local folder. And there's another folder in there called temp. This is just your Windows temp data. Delete that folder. These two are pretty safe to delete. Then you'll need to restart your computer. When you do that, you will then, very likely when you launch FileMaker, this problem almost always is solved at that point. That is the tip. Have an excellent day. Thanks for your time.